Okay, Jim here from I Am With Jim. Welcome. This is the 15-minute scalping strategy results that we set up yesterday, and it's been 23 hours, and I can already see this bot is not doing too well, and I already know why it's not doing too well. It's because since we started the bot at around 4:30 yesterday, my time, which is 23 hours exactly ago. Where's 4:30 on here? As you can see, that's 4:30 there. And Bitcoin itself has done nothing but kind of go down and down and down. And obviously the altcoins, they follow Bitcoin. So like I was saying in my previous video, it is very important that when you're trading with Cryptohopper, you don't just turn it on blindly at any point. It's best to have a look at the charts and see what Bitcoin's doing first before you switch the bot on. You know what I mean? So I mean, had I started this bot down here, then I would be in nice profits by now, you know. But since I started the bot exactly here, that candle there, only I went up a tiny bit and then just came mostly down. It is starting to come back up, so maybe another 24 hours this strategy will be doing well, but it has made some profits, as you can see. So what would I tweak on this? Well, actually I'd leave it running for another 24 hours to see how it goes while Bitcoin's going up again. Hopefully Bitcoin's going up again. Let's have a look at the daily chart on Bitcoin. Alright, it does look, you know, like it wants to come down. I'm looking at this oscillator here. Could come down. It's had a red dot a few days ago. It's coming down, but that, you know, it can do something like this. It can come down, go sideways, like that. Go sideways, this can be coming down. Then you can get a green dot, which is bullish, and things started going up again. You get a red dot there, it's down slightly, and then back up again. So that can happen, certainly. We can get a green dot anytime now, and it could start going back up again. No guarantees. So, would I do anything to tweak this strategy? I would perhaps maybe leave it another 24 hours, and then I would go back into the config. If it hadn't performed too well, I would go back into the config and I would tweak the trailing stop loss to a little bit lower, and I would change that to maybe something like that. Click on save, but I wouldn't do that until the 24 hours has elapsed. Alright, so I'll put that back to its original and I'll let it run another 24 hours. And I'll create a new strategy using a higher time frame on one of my other accounts, subscriptions, and I'll do that for the next video, which I will upload later today. So you get my drift, guys. You know that when you start the bot is quite important. Yeah, if you start the bot when we're right at the top of a run there, well, obviously any strategy is not going to do very well, because look what happened straight after. You switch the bot on up here, that's on the daily chart, and for the next how many days? There. For the next 12 days, you would be thinking, oh my god, this is crap. Yeah, but maybe it's not a crap strategy at all. Maybe it's just seems crap because you've started it up there and everything started coming down. So you bought loads of things around here, somewhere on this candle. Yeah, lots of different coins. Obviously, when Bitcoin goes down, in general, most of the altcoins come down with it. Right, so Bitcoin can drop, look at that, 21% drop in 12 days. You wouldn't have done very well at all. You'd have been more or less holding your head above water because you'd have had some DCAs kicking in, you know, and you might have had some profits. But overall, your bot would likely be in the red. Let's have a look. Probably in the red quite a bit more than that. Alright, so right now it's down by 19 cents, and as I say, that could, you know, next couple of hours it could all come back up again. It was green a couple of hours ago, was this, so it was like $1 in profit, which is only like 0.1% or something like that. Okay, not very much, but as you can see, it has been making profits, as I'm showing you this 23 hours later on this dip. Let's have a look. On this dip, it's been dipping since I started the bot. Even though it has been dipping, it has made some profits. So I really wanted to bring you this video after a full 24 hours, but I thought, no, I'll bring it after these 23 hours just to show, you know, what can happen. Things can go down, and that's why we have the DCA setting. And as you can see on this, there was one DCA on one position, and that was H bar. Now I remember seeing H bar at minus 7.8%, and as you know, on this strategy, if you followed yesterday's video, we set up the DCA to DCA at minus 5%. Okay, so if it gets anything below 5%, it will look for a new signal to buy, and it will do a DCA. So that's why you will see on here H bar there. It is now $19.23. It's not $10 anymore. It has done a DCA. And if you look in the settings on here, it shows you the DCA level after 4 hours, double down, which buys the same amount again. Alright, so, and it's already done one DCA count there, look. And we're going to allow it just 2 DCAs. Yeah, and any DCAs to be done after that, we can do manually, minus 10% or something like that. Yeah, so that is, you know, nothing brilliant to show, but you know, had I started it down here, oh, sorry, wait a minute, had I started this bot down here, would have been in lovely profits now, maybe 2% on the total amount. So maybe we'd see $20 profit in here. Alright, it's come back up into the green, look. So it's 8 cents in the green. So that's all these profits minus all these losses. Well, they're not losses. Don't call them losses, guys. You haven't lost anything until you sell it. If I sell this now, I lose 2.84%, which would be 55 cents. Alright, so if I sell this now, because I'm thinking, oh no, it's going to come down a lot more, I don't want it to go down anymore, I'm going to get out now, panic selling, yeah, this is why we have DCA, guys, so this can happen, yeah, it gets in at a lower price, and that means when it does DCA, when that does come up to 2.25% profit, and drops back down to 1.75% profit and sells, if 2.25 is the maximum it goes to, it means that we're getting 1.75% on top of $19.23, not on top of $10. So after a DCA, things go back up again, it's a bigger position, therefore bigger profits. Do you get my drift? I'm sure you do. Alright, so I wouldn't really tweak anything for another 24 hours simply because Bitcoin came down since we started the bot, and it's not really a fair reflection on this particular strategy to say that no, it doesn't work and get rid of it. Tweak it by all means, but tweak it tomorrow after another 24 hours. Alright guys, if you want the secret sauce video setup guide that I have, lots of videos setting up the bot with the best strategy I have ever found since 2018. It's available only to those people who sign up to Cryptohopper through my link, and you'll find that below my video here, or my videos have this link. Click on that link, it will take you to my web page, which shows you a quick video telling you how to contact me on Skype. And once you've watched that and contact me on Skype, go down here, click on Get Cryptohopper. When you click on that, watch out for the 15412 in the URL. Watch what happens in the URL here. You'll see my affiliate ID appears briefly there and then disappears. That's okay, that's perfectly normal. Alright? And you can also get TradingView and Binance through my links also. That helps me to support the channel, keeps me going, creating videos. Alright? So, anything else to say? Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video if you want to be extra helpful. Share it onto your socials or whatever, yeah? I'd be really appreciative of that. Helps the channel to grow, guys. Alright. Also available when you click on this link, you will get access to me on Skype to help you out personally, and you'll get access to the new Telegram group which I've just created. And oh, I also forgot as well, for now up to the next couple of weeks, if you use the coupon code Jim Cryptohopper, like, you know, all capitals, Jim Cryptohopper, you will get a discount on your first subscription. Now, signing up through my link doesn't cost you a penny extra. It's the same price as when you don't sign up with my link. Okay? So, back to here. See, it's coming back up into the green. Some of it is anyway. That'll be back in the green soon. So will that. Probably that one as well. Alright, and they'll come up and they'll sell. Alright guys, I will see you again in the next video, which will be an hour or two from now maybe. I'm going to set up a strategy using the 30-minute candlesticks. Alright, so it's going to be a similar setup. We're going to tweak a couple of things compared to this strategy and see how well that one does. I'll leave this running another 24 hours as promised, and if it does really well I'll bring you another video on this one. So it'll be a 48-hour update. Okay, click the links guys, I appreciate it, and like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, bye bye.